Hello and welcome to my new technical tricks. In this video I am going to show you how to encrypt USB or external with a password with a very easy tips. So as you can see, this is the software I have downloaded from their website. This is very good. This is very good software that you can lock the external or any USB or maybe memory card with a very easy and very simple way. So you can download the gilisoft USB stick encryption from the link description below. I have already downloaded and installed it on my computer. So installing is very easy, and I have installed it on my computer. I will open this. So here you can see USB driver. So now you have, if you have a flash or external, plug it onto your computer. Once you plug, the USB or external drive will shown to you in there. For example, I have connected the USB on my computer. It showed to me. This is the USB. I am going to click on that, and now click on install. Here it will here it shows create a secure area on disk. So you can click till the last one. Then now click on install. Here you can type your password. I'm going to type so you can type any type of password, no matter. So I'm going to type my password. And now click on OK. Now it's progressing. Successful to create secure area in the USB driver. Click on OK button. Now you can you will face this window. So now it is encrypted successfully. Now you cannot access to anything, to any file that you have already have it on your USB or external. So to access you have to open that. Click on that, and now you have to type your password. Without password you cannot open. Click open, and now any drive later, no matter, it's very simple. Click on any drive later. For example, I have selected drive letter P. Select and OK, and now you will face the new window. This is your window that, for example, this is the flash drive or external drive. Now you are going to see, yes, this is the USB drive. If you copy video, picture, any file, it will encrypt successfully, or no one can access to your file. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you understand my video, and I hope you share my video with your friends. So friends, take care and goodbye.